To fix an LG front-load washer leaking underneath, start by identifying the common reasons for the leak. The most common causes include a clogged drain pump filter, loose or damaged hoses, a faulty door seal, and a malfunctioning drain pump. First, check the drain pump filter to ensure it is clean and free of debris. Locate the filter at the bottom of the washer and remove any blockages. Next, inspect the hoses for any signs of damage or looseness, and tighten or replace them as needed. If the leak persists, inspect the door seal for any signs of damage or wear. Check for any cracks or holes and replace the seal if necessary. Additionally, check the drain pump for any signs of malfunction and replace it if necessary. To prevent future leaks, regularly clean the drain pump filter and check the hoses and door seal for any signs of damage. It is also essential to ensure the washer is properly leveled and installed to prevent vibrations that can cause leaks. When fixing the leak, always refer to the user manual and follow the manufacturer's instructions. If you are not comfortable with the repair or if the leak persists after attempting to fix it, it is recommended to contact a professional technician for assistance. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can fix an LG front-load washer leaking underneath and ensure it continues to function properly. Regular maintenance and inspections can help prevent future leaks and extend the lifespan of the washer.